Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve responses in Reka AI so you can get more accurate, detailed as well as useful answers. So let's get started. First, make sure to open any web browser. Within the search bar, type Reka.ai, then press enter. Now you will be redirected to the official Reka page. Within it, tap Try Reka and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you land on the home page, make sure to move the cursor towards the Reka chat and tap Try It Now, or you can just tap on the chat icon within the left menu and it will redirect you to the Reka AI chat interface. So you must always remember that when you are asking your questions, always be clear what you want. Always make sure to include more details as it will lead to better answers. And after filling up the prompt, press enter or tap the send icon within it. Now the Reka AI will begin to generate the text based on your prompt. You can review the response given by the Reka AI. If you want to add some context, you can just give Reka AI some background information. This helps Reka AI to adjust its response. If you want to adjust the output style, you can tell Reka AI how you want the answer. Again, if you are not satisfied with the response, you can just scroll down to the questions and move the cursors towards the already sent questions where it shows the pencil-like icon. Tap on it. Within it, now it allows you to edit the prompt. Then tap confirm, and again it will provide the response based on the updated prompt. If the answer is not perfect, don't stop there. You can ask the follow-up questions as Reka AI improves the response with each follow-up. Providing examples also help Reka AI to understand your intent, where it results in more accurate outputs. If you want to regenerate the response, you can just tap on the double circle arrowhead icon and it will again begin to regenerate the responses where it will refine the output. Keep in mind that do not rely on a single response as you must always refine, review and verify information, especially for study or business purposes. And that's it. This is how you can improve responses in Reka AI and get better results every time. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.